Hi, this is EasyVision Automotive Mirror. This video is for Ford F-150 and Super Duty Towing Mirror Cap upgrade. Hope you enjoy. It's available to work on the car. No need to take off your mirror from your car. The tools you need are flat blade screwdriver, plastic trim removal tool, and a towel. Also a brand new racing flag style mirror cap. See this green dot. These are the location of the clips. 3 on the back, 2 on the side, 2 on the top. First, use the towel to cover black thread screwdriver. Pry up from the side. When you see the gap on the cap button, then you can insert in the plastic trim to pry open the cap button. It's pretty hard to pry open without damaging the clip. You can see one clip is loose. That's right, because you will use the brand new one. See this racing flag style mirror cap? Just put it on and check the clip and the edge. If you still have a question, please be free to contact us.